day to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Now, I will discuss on linear transformation, linear operator and linear functional. Now we define linear transformation. Let UF and VF be two vector spaces over the same field F. Then a linear transformation T is a mapping defined on vector space UF into vector space VF such that T A alpha plus B beta equal to A T alpha plus B T beta for all alpha beta belong to vector space UF and for all A B belong to field F. Here we see that UF be the domain of the mapping T, and this mapping is called linear transformation when it fulfills this condition. Here codomain is vector space VF. The image of alpha is T alpha, image of beta is T beta. Since alpha beta belong to vector space UF, therefore A alpha plus B beta also belong to vector space UF and its image is T A alpha plus B beta, and this image T A alpha plus B beta equal to A T alpha plus B T beta. Now we define linear operator. Let V be a vector space over the field F. Then a linear operator on VF is a mapping T defined on vector space VF into vector space VF. Here domain and codomain be same and it fulfills the condition T A alpha plus B beta equal to A T alpha plus B T beta for all alpha beta belong to vector space VF and for all A B belong to field F. This is the linear transformation. This mapping T is linear transformation in which domain is vector space UF and codomain is vector space VF. But in the case of linear operator, domain is vector space VF and codomain be the same vector space VF. Now we define linear functional. Let VF be a vector space over the field F. Then a mapping F is said to be linear functional on VF if F A alpha plus B beta equal to A F alpha plus B F beta for all alpha beta belong to vector space VF and for all AB belong to field F. Here domain is the vector space VF but codomain is field. In previous two cases we have seen that codomain be vector space. Here VF is the vector space. Here also codomain is vector space VF. But in the case of linear functional, codomain is the field over which the vector space is defined. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.